Hi, today's double lesson. We're doing lesson 16. And this is where it's an interesting part of genetics, and this is where we look at inheritance. So, do you have blue eyes or brown eyes? Can you explain why? That's what this is all about. So, you'll go to lesson 16. There's several videos to watch. Follow all the instructions, a PowerPoint, maybe take some notes. You're reading pages 14 to 16 out of the booklet, up to but not including co-inheritance. And then you might as well get and do a bit of homework from sheet number 3. Just do question 1. It's on the terminology that you can look at today. I still have some people who didn't do their homework sheet 2. It would be nice if you could email that to me. And that was the basis of your quiz for today. So remember, where are we? Let's see. So we're doing lesson 2. As I say, I think the quiz is now closed. Oh, everyone finished it, which is fantastic. I'll hopefully have it marked by tomorrow, by this session. Um, and yeah, well, everyone's doing well actually. Homework sheet number 2 is all in. I think there is. It's hard to say nowadays. So yes, have a go at lesson 16. That was. Remember, all the instructions are there. There's a PowerPoint. There's the 2 videos. You'll be introduced into this word punnet. I'm not talking a strawberry punnet. They're a special technique for determining why you have blue eyes or brown eyes. Have a good double session. It's a fairly simple double session, but nevertheless important one.